Hello everybody, this is Jerry with Geek.tv with a very serious warning. Some of these tips and hacks do involve editing the Windows registry, which can be a very dangerous thing to do. So before you touch that registry, use System Restore to create a restore point so that you can revert to the previous version of the registry in case anything ever goes wrong. To create a restore point, follow this very simple tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to follow my cursor, and then I can show you how to do this. First off, you're going to go to Start. Let's get rid of that warning, Let's go to Start. Go to Control Panel. When Control Panel opens up, come and find System and Maintenance. Under System and Maintenance, use the second option, Backup and Restore Center. Over here to your left, you're going to see two options on the Create a Restore Point or Change Settings. That's going to be the one we want to choose, but as you notice this little icon, it means UAC, or User Access Controls, is installed in your system, and therefore this action will require a password. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to notice a password box that pops up. My video might have paused for a moment. Under the System Properties, you can see System Protection. Let's go ahead and scroll down, give it a second for available disks to show up. Come down and hit Create. Type in a name, in this case, try today's date, and press Create. When that is done, you get a little dialog box saying that this is finished. That's all it really takes.